Looking to speed up meal prep? Our roundup of the best food processors for mincing covers top picks for every kitchen, from compact choppers to versatile 10-12 cup powerhouses. Whether you're prepping small batches or tackling big recipes, these reliable tools make cooking effortless. Number 1. Hamilton Beach Food Processor and Vegetable Chopper. The Hamilton Beach Food Processor and Vegetable Chopper, 70730, is a reliable kitchen helper designed to save both time and effort. With a generous 10-cup capacity, it easily handles large batches of ingredients, while the built-in bowl scraper keeps everything moving without the need to stop and scrape manually. Its 450-watt motor, paired with 2 speeds and a pulse option, provides the right balance of power and precision for slicing, shredding, chopping, and pureeing. Cleanup is also simple. Removable parts are dishwasher safe and BPA-free, making it safe and convenient for daily use. The wide feed chute is another plus, cutting down on prep time. Pros: built-in scraper saves time. Large 10-cup capacity. Powerful motor with versatile functions. Easy to clean. Cons: plastic build feels less durable. It can be noisy at high speed. Overall, it's a great value processor for families and home cooks alike. Number 2. BLACK+DECKER Food Processor and Vegetable Chopper. The BLACK+DECKER Food Processor and Vegetable Chopper is a practical kitchen companion designed for everyday cooking. With its 8-cup work bowl, you get plenty of room to prepare salsas, nut butters, hummus, and more, making it a versatile option for families. Its 450W motor paired with a stainless steel S-blade ensures fast and consistent chopping, while the reversible slice/shred disc saves time when prepping veggies or cheese. One standout feature is its easy assembly. The bowl locks in place using the lid, so you don't have to struggle with complicated setups. The touchpad controls, low, high, and pulse, make operation simple, and cleanup is hassle-free thanks to dishwasher-safe parts. Pros: large 8-cup capacity. Stainless steel blade and reversible disc. Compact yet powerful motor. Easy assembly and dishwasher-safe design. Cons: the plastic body may feel less durable. Limited to manual speed options. If you're looking for an affordable, reliable, and user-friendly food processor, this BLACK+DECKER model is a smart choice for any home kitchen. Number 3. BLACK+DECKER 1.5 Cup Electric Food Chopper. The BLACK+DECKER 1.5 Cup Electric Food Chopper is a compact yet powerful little helper for quick kitchen tasks. With its lightweight design and 150W motor, it makes chopping herbs, nuts, onions, or even preparing breadcrumbs fast and hassle-free. The bi-level stainless steel blades stay sharp and deliver consistent results, while the built-in oil holes make it easy to prepare dressings or hummus without creating a mess. Cleanup is equally simple since the removable parts are dishwasher safe. Pros: compact and lightweight design. Sharp stainless steel blades for efficient chopping. Dishwasher safe parts for easy cleanup. Affordable and highly rated. Cons: small 1.5 cup capacity, not ideal for large batches. Plastic build feels less durable than bigger models. If you're looking for a budget-friendly mini chopper that's reliable and easy to store, the BLACK+DECKER 1.5 cup chopper is a smart choice for everyday small kitchen prep. Number 4. Hamilton Beach Stack and Snap Food Processor Review. The Hamilton Beach Stack and Snap Food Processor, 70725A, is designed to make meal prep faster and easier. With its 12-cup sealed bowl and powerful 450-watt motor, it handles chopping, shredding, slicing, and pureeing with ease. The stack and snap technology eliminates tricky assembly, while the big mouth chute saves prep time by fitting whole foods like potatoes and tomatoes. This processor comes with a chopping/pureeing blade and a reversible slicing/shredding disc, giving you versatility in the kitchen. The suction cup feet keep it stable during heavy-duty tasks, and all removable parts are dishwasher safe and BPA-free for simple cleanup. Pros: easy stack and snap assembly. Large 12-cup capacity. Big mouth chute reduces pre-cutting. Dishwasher safe and BPA free. Cons. Bulky design takes counter space. Limited to 2 speeds. It can be noisy. If you're looking for a user-friendly, powerful, and affordable food processor, the Hamilton Beach Stack & Snap is a smart choice for everyday cooking and meal prep. Number 5. AZP Reviews 7-Cup Food Processor Review. If you're looking for a compact yet versatile food processor, the AZP Reviews 7-Cup Food Processor is a great choice. With its 1.7-liter glass bowl and 300W motor, it makes chopping, mixing, mincing, and pureeing effortless. The double-layer stainless steel blades ensure precise cuts, while the included whisking disc is perfect for eggs or baking prep. Its 2-speed one-touch pulse control makes it easy to handle both soft ingredients like fruits and onions, and harder items such as nuts and meat. The anti-slip rubber base keeps the processor stable during use, and the included spatula helps scrape down the bowl efficiently. Its compact design saves space and fits neatly in most kitchens. Pros: versatile functions, durable glass bowl, easy to use, stable operation, compact design. Cons: not dishwasher safe, limited to 2 speeds, 300W may struggle with very tough ingredients. Overall, it's a reliable, everyday food processor ideal for meal prep and small households. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.